Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can import contacts from Excel to HubSpot, okay? So as you can see here, we have our Google Sheet, okay, which contains basically the name of my clients, their surnames, their company, and their emails, okay? And the first step is actually we need to download this file, okay, because we cannot directly import it from Google Sheet. We need to download it to our computer. So let's go to File, and you want to click on Download, and now you can save it either as a Microsoft Excel or as a comma separated value. It doesn't matter. In my case, I'm just going to save it as a Microsoft Excel, XLSX. Okay, so you just click here. Now, inside of HubSpot, you need to go to your contacts here, okay, and you need to click on Import. Let's select Import File, and now you want to start an import. Okay, let's select contacts in this case. Let's go to next. And now you want to choose your file, the file that we just downloaded here. Okay, now we're going to click on create new contacts only, assuming that we only want to create new contacts but not actually update the previous contacts. Okay, we're going to type it. We're going to click on English, click on next. And now the most important part is to actually give, the necessary properties from your columns, right? So you can see here, HubSpot has automatically recognized that my first column, which is name, is actually the first name. My surname column is actually the last name, and the company is the company name, and the email is just email. Okay, but sometimes HubSpot might not recognize the name of the column from Google Sheets to the actual HubSpot property. So you might have to manually assign it by looking to something relevant here. Okay. After you're ready, just click on next. And let's agree that all contacts in this import are expecting to hear from my organization. And now you can click on finish import. Okay. And after a few seconds, we should have our contacts ready. Okay. Let's go to contacts now. And as you can see, we have our, there we go. Okay. So there we have it. That's it. Thanks so much.